Today, me and my 4 children, we're going to be making Goop. So, all you need for this one, it's really easy. Corn flour, this is $1.70 from Woolworths for a packet of that. And some water and food colouring, whatever colour you think you might need. So that's what we're going to be making. You ready for this, guys? Yeah. So just add your water slowly and you can mix it around with either your hands. Yeah, go your hands, Harry, or a spoon until you, yeah, there you go, Flinny, mix it around. More water, Flinny.
It's sticky, it's sticking to my finger.
Yeah.
My nail.
Can you add more water, Flinny?
Yeah. It's a mess.
Oh. And depending on the consistency you want, depends on how much water you add. So, what does that feel like, Harry?
Okay, now it's turning, when you slide it against it, it's like the concrete dissolves.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think, Matt? How's it feel? Some more water? Do you need more water?
Yeah, maybe.
A little bit more water?
We're cementing it. This is like how,
Go in with your hands then, mate. See how it feels.
in science I'm looking about solids and liquids and this is
Ready? Look.
Oh, really?
If you leave, guys, if you leave it turns into liquid. But if you hit it with a lot of pressure, it turns into a solid.
Oh, pretty cool.
Yeah, that's
This is really fun, actually.
It's turning into milk.
You haven't even mixed in all your powder yet.
Yeah, when you put this powder. Oh, I just broke a bit of it.
It's not
So much fun.
Yeah, it is.
It is fun.
And then if you want a different colour, you can add a colour. So do you want a colour, Sal?
I want green.
You want green?
If you get it out of water,
I'll get Stella. Stella's doing red in your one.
If you get it out of water,
Can you do blue for the
if you
boys?
get it out of the water, it turns solid. And it turns.
Do you need more water in yours?
I'll just keep it. Yeah. Need a bit more water.
Connie, do you want to pour some more water or are you out of water?
We're gonna. That should be enough.
What about the powder over that side?
Yeah, we'll do it. We need cover.
So yeah, just pour it on the top. They can mix it in. Oh, mix in the colour.
Why don't we, Mom? So, add in the colors. Mom, why don't we mix them together at the end of it?
That's a great idea,
Make
Harry.
it purple.
Wow, there you go. That's right.
You can also mix colors, guys.
Yeah.
Just mix it around.
Fun. It's fun. Normally it'll be gray or white.